All right, we're here at TrackHouse. You ready to get fucking gapped?
I'm not getting gapped by you. You need to understand that. I'm gonna run train on you in there.
No, I'm a wheel man. I'm gonna hop in that little cart. We're doing 3 races. Race 1, I'm probably gonna be slow because I'm gonna have to get used to the car. But once we get to race 2 and 3,
not a joke. They go fast.
Oh, I know.
50 miles an hour.
You better use the curbs. That's all I can say. Don't spin out. If either one of us spins out, we're gonna be a laughing stock.
You're spinning out, not me.
I gotta get the GoPro too, so I can put the GoPro on my head. So Jake's getting his stuff ready. We got the podium right here. I'm about to be standing right there because he sucks at driving. So he's gonna be down here at number 3. I'll be at number 1. We're gonna get that victory done. Let's go see what this punk boy's doing. Hey, you ready to get gapped?
All right, it's going down. Camera is mounted to the helmet. Oh, look, they're battling right there in that corner. That's me and Brandon right now.
Hell yeah.
They're getting it. So they said the top speed's what, 55 miles an hour?
Yeah.
55?
I got my GoPro right here.
Yeah.
You stole my head mount, so I gotta go.
I feel bad. I kind of robbed Brandon. I'm sorry, buddy. Hey, if we like it and we'll do it and it's good, I'll buy the next race. I'll buy the next one for us. But this looks really fun. They said usually we can have up to like 20 cars. You can see like all the starting spots. So you can actually have like a full big race, which I wanted, but there's not that many people here today. I guess it's just so hot. But yeah, this track is so sick. I would take my car on here if I could.
It's not big. We could RTR. We get the RTR and do a drift it around here.
You could drift it. I mean, it's gonna be tight corners, but it'd be fun.
This race right here depends who gets to go racing for real.
Yeah. Hey, the only way you're passing me is on the straight. Hey, is this a fast cart?
20?
Yeah. Mid. All right. Well,
look at the fucking slick. We need the flamethrower to rubber off the tire.
I know. Shake and bake.
Hey, I think I took the win there. Huh? I took the win.
Did you get the W?
Dude, I was fucking hounding that whole race.
Dude, my go-kart's slow, bro. That was a 14-minute clip. Dude, I passed everyone. I was hauling. I kept looking back. Dude, I slowed up for a bit. I was trying to let you catch me. And then I felt like you shot around me like, oh, this motherfucker, I didn't even see you coming.
Oh, dude. Whoever was in front of you held you up enough for me to get the inside line and take you both. right, man. I don't know what you got, but.
Oh wait, I think you got the best lap time.
Oh, here we go. No, this is the race. Let's go. You finished 4th. I got 2nd. Lap time. Let's go.
I'm telling you, it's literally all weight. You had me beat by like 100
Dude, I was flying. But I kept bouncing off some of the curbs and
Dude, when we got on that
flying
straight,
flying
your
up the
cart
cart.
literally was pulling away from me. I was like, bro, mine literally is wide open right now.
I was so close.
100 pounds is more than a tenth in a go-kart.
Yeah. If I would have had a better lap time, I would have been
That was
first.
fun. 70,
Yeah. We still got 2 more races to go.
I know. I'm actually kind of beat.
No. Dude, my hands hurt.
I know. I was going to say, you're guaranteed.
Oh, well, I just gapped the fuck out of Jake. I finished 2nd. I was about to take the lead and finish 1st if we would have had a couple more laps, but there's still 2 more races to go. That was race 1 of 3. I don't even know how well you could see. I'm not gonna know how well you could see it until I view this clip. But I'm gonna try and get some footage from Jake's race, from his POV, of me flying past him. How was?
Lie to them, Brandon. Stop lying.
I'm gonna get some footage from you. So
I have mine. I'm literally saying I'm waiting for Brandon to catch up.
I didn't talk that entire race.
Hey, you know when they called the checkered flag? We were literally going slow, and all those other guys passed us.
Yeah.
Because we got 3rd and 4th. Remember they got?
No, I got 2nd. You got 4th.
Yeah, but we let that guy pass us at the end.
Yeah, I got 2nd.
Dude, no one passed me. I don't know how they said I was in 4th. That makes no sense. The only person that caught up to me and got in front of me was you the whole time. No one else passed me.
Because I'm a fucking G.
No, because I let you catch up to me, and then your fucking go-kart was a jet.
Oh, dude, that thing was cooking. You kept fucking skipping that corner over here.
I was flying through there.
I was like,
hey, wait till you see my footage. I already know how to take all the corners here.
I know,
Bro, I'm
too.
literally just heavier. That was literally the heaviest person there.
Dude, I was able to. Dude, I was getting flung around the seat trying to throw it through the corners.
Dude, that thing's fun. This track is so much fun.
Getting into the brakes, I was like, please don't lock up and slide. Don't spin out.
Oh, bro.
Can you spin out?
Yeah, twice. One, there was someone spun out in the corner and I was coming in hot. And I didn't even see. And I fucking almost plowed him. Still running, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, dude, that was a good race.
Bruh, how long did you with me that entire race?
Huh?
How far after I passed you did you spin out? I just gapped him 2 races in a row. First race he got caught by lap traffic. Second race I absolutely put the floor to him. He spun out twice. How you gonna spin out, bro?
The first one, it was my fault.
Damn! You just okay now. I'm definitely when you put the do on me.
Second one, there was this dude that spun out in front of me and I tried to hit the brakes hard because I didn't want to smash into him. I locked him up and the cart went around on me because it was either him or spin out and plow. So I was like, I'm avoiding him.
But hey, it's almost time for race 3. Let's see if we can get this board to flip.
Now.
So right there you see me with a 67.5. You got you with a 69.0.
Oh,
I mean, you were right at a 68.
Yeah.
You were almost at a 68.9. So I think we got a full field for the next race. We need to go. We need to get out there and we need to go.
And we're live. Round 3, baby. gone, Brandon. I was rolling, dude.
I was too.
I'm really curious to see my lap time.
All right, what's up, everybody? Y'all just watched me absolutely gap Jake on the go-kart track. That was a super fun time. I showed him around the race shops. He had a great time there. We're back in Richmond. Forgot to make an outro for the track, but we hope you enjoyed. But anyways, it was a fun time, really awesome track. I can't wait to go back there and have some more fun with the boys. Comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Y'all have a good one. Bye.